There are a lot of things in life that still baffle us as human beings, space being one of them. In this video, we take a look through 10 mysterious space photos that probably shouldn't exist. Number 10. Mars Monolith. When the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter spacecraft was mapping the small moon of Mars, it took photos and sent its incredible images from Mars back to Earth satellites. Ufologists have a field day speaking about the mysterious structure that was clearly visible on the surface of photos. There, in plain view, a large rectangular object undoubtedly resembling an artificial monolith stands alone. Nothing in the vicinity has a similar shape or size, so the question is, what is it? What is its purpose? And who placed it there? Number 9. Light on Mars. Scientists are throwing cold water on yet another purported alien sighting by NASA's Mars rover, Curiosity. Though UFO enthusiasts may beg to differ, mission team members say bright flashes of light visible in Mars photos taken by the Curiosity rover. One possibility is that the light is glint from a rock surface reflecting the sun. When these images were taken each day, the sun was in the same direction as the bright spot. Number 8. Mars Faces. It was the startling photograph that spawned 1,000 conspiracy theories. A photograph taken by the American Viking 1 orbiter in July 1976 appeared to show a hill in the shape of a human face on the dusty surface of Mars. But a new photograph released today, which was taken with NASA's high-definition high-rise camera, finally shows the face on Mars for what it really is. Just a large rocky hill in the middle of the Martian desert. Number 7. The Apollo Pyramid. This image was taken by Apollo 17 during its last flight to the moon, near the area known as Geophone Rock. It was catalogued by NASA as blank. After retouching the photo, you see it's not completely blank. Turning up the contrast, pyramidal structures can be observed. The photograph actually exists, and is the repository of images of the Apollo 17 mission. At first glance seem to be veiled, but actually there are 2 structures, one with pyramidal and one in the bottom left, that looks like a bar inclined. Number 6. Moonbase. One's eye is immediately drawn to the neat array of white lights in an otherwise innocent-looking crater. Enhance it some more, and then some more, and then the structure comes into clearer view. What the enhanced photo purports to show is an unnatural array of 7 evenly spaced, circular objects jutting out from the edge of a moon's crater shadow. Not only are they evenly spaced, they form an apparent 90-degree V-shape, and everyone knows right angles are not found in nature. Or are they? Number 5. 3 blue spaceships. In 2011, 3 giant spaceships were heading towards Earth. The largest one of them was 240 kilometers wide, while the other 2 were much smaller. The spaceships were detected by the HAARD search system. The system, based in Alaska, was designed to study the phenomenon of northern lights. According to SETI researchers, the objects are nothing but extraterrestrial spaceships. Researchers calculated that the ships would reach Earth at the end of 2012, although nothing came of it. Number 4. Man on Mars. At first glance, this photo seems to show only the barren surface of Mars, but look up close, you'll see Bigfoot. Or at least that's what several UFO spotters are claiming, and they think this proves the existence of alien life on the red planet. The NASA photo is one of thousands scanned by space fanatics in a bid to find evidence of Martians on the distant world, and sightings have spiked since experts announced that they may be water on Mars, a necessary ingredient for life. Number 3. Black Knight Satellite. The Black Knight Satellite is the name that's been given to an object captured on camera by NASA astronauts during a 1998 space shuttle mission. There are alien conspiracy theorists who claim the satellite is an object of extraterrestrial origin, possibly up to 13,000 years old, orbiting in near-polar orbit. It's been seen a few times, although only for a small amount of time, and is said by conspiracy theorists that it's simply watching over us, taking notes on our progress and evolution. Number 2. Moon Man. An eerie video claiming to show an alien figure walking on the moon went viral a few years back. Theories ranged from shadows cast by a nearby boulder to an ancient alien statue placed on the lunar surface. Now, NASA has announced the figure is simply dust, an eyelash, or even a scratch on the negative of the film that took the image. Is this just NASA trying to cover up something we don't know about? Number 1. Helix Nebula. There was an email going around a few years ago talking about the Eye of God. This is the photo in that email, and it's actually an image of the Helix Nebula taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. The Eye of God Nebula is a bright planetary nebula located about 700 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius, also known as NGC 7293, and often referred to as the Eye of God. But who knows? Are we being watched right now?